everybody, welcome back to the Klaus channel, the restoration and everything. You know what it is already if you've been watching. If you haven't been watching, check out older video and find out what the full title is of this thing. It's long. Restoration, crafts, reviews, probably not in that order, never get it right. This time we're going to be watching a video on a rasp. Rasp? What's a rasp? I ain't never heard of no rasp. Wonder what they use them on. Hey monkey, what do they use a rasp on? You use them on wood, or if you're a farrier, that means you got horses. Then you use them on a horse hoof. I think this one's about a farrier rasp, but it's being used on wood. How the hell can you use a farrier rasp on wood? You mean that actually works? Has somebody tried it? Where's the evidence? I need to see the damn evidence compiled, stacked, nice and neat, put in documents right in front of me. Evidence. Forget them documents, dumbass. Watch the video. There's the damn evidence right there, right in the video. And you can see that a farrier's rasp kicks ass on wood. I don't mean your penis, I mean wood. Kicks ass on it. Files it right off, shakes it right down. Let me tell you, a file's a file. A file by any other name is still a file. It's like a metal file. If you use a metal file on wood, it takes longer because it's smaller teeth on it. Man, I can't wait to see that video. Man, when this thing starts, I'm going to be all eyes. I'm going to look like a Rodney Dangerfield snail. Man, my eyes going to be popping out. Hey, you don't know who that is? How the hell do you not know who Rodney Dangerfield is? Look it up, man. He one funny bastard. So let's get this, I want to watch that rasp. Man, we got to get this video going. Alright, we'll get that rasp video going for you. But first, you know what you got to do? Yeah, I know what you got to do. Tell one of them damn lame ass jokes you tell. You tell every time. Man, I like those jokes though. Lame ass or not. I like them. Don't change for nothing, monkey. If somebody says, I don't like him jokes, wah, mommy, my feelings got hurt. Mommy, my feelings. Man, the hell with them bastards. If you gotta change for them, they gotta change for you. They ain't bigger than you. Damn, Crow. But you okay? You okay over there? You ever not know what kind of people you're talking about? Damn psychopath bastards think they, just because they don't like something, they gotta stop somebody else from liking it. Well, bleh for you freak ass bastards. Anyway,
here about me?
Anyway, here comes the joke. Don't mess me up. Stage hands.
You're talking about me?
Stage hands, shut up.
I think you're talking about me.
Here comes the joke. Scientists have proven that there are two things in the air that causes women to get pregnant. What's two things that are in the air that causes a woman to get pregnant? Their legs. Woo, that's man, that's the truth. I've seen a lot of legs in the air lately. There's always new generation of people. Those modern, everything's modern when it's new, jackass. You ever see the 1950s? The modern kitchen. It ain't modern no more. 20 years from now, all this modern shit ain't gonna be modern no more. Alright, enough of that. Whatever it's called. On with the show. Enjoy it. Watch it. Kiss it. Lick it. Make love to it. I don't give a damn what you do. But see it through to the end. That's like playing with your wiener and stopping right in the middle. But carry on. Carry on. Get your vibrator if you're a woman. Carry on, carry on. I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay, this is going to be a quick video, not that long, on a rasp. I'm making a small table, and I always cut these just a little bit short so I can use a rasp. There are different types of rasps for wood. They're very small. Too large and flat. One side's more coarse than the other one. This one's flat on one side and rounded on the other. I keep them clean, but the rust gets ahead of me sometimes, and so does the spiders. There's too many of them. There's one that's flat on both sides and one that's round. Now here's one right here that looks different than the other rasps because this one is not a wood rasp, but you can use it on wood if you want to. This is a Farrier's rasp. This is what you use on the hooves of a horse to file the horse hoof down and make it smooth and keep it in shape. Some people say that if you use a Farrier's rasp on wood, then you're not a carpenter. Well, I guess I'm not a carpenter then, am I? A wood rasp, or any kind of rasp that is coarse enough, is multi-purpose. You could use this on anything you want as long as it can handle it. The Farrier's rasp is actually more dense, heavier, and more coarse than the wood rasp. So I choose, when I can, to use a Farrier's rasp instead of a wood rasp. And then when you do this, you want to take forward strokes, and you don't want to do it too fast. The idea is you can turn the wood if you want. It's easier to keep it flat. You don't have to do it like this, because you may lean the rasp and you don't want to do that. So you may want to turn it. But I'm being as careful as I can in working with the rasp. My goal is to make this piece of wood fit snug. Now this one is going to be sanded a little bit also, so it can be a little bit too snug, but not enough for it to cause a problem. See, this one was fine now. This one needs just a little bit more work, because if you try to hammer this in now, it will break these. So I will use the rasp a little bit more on this. But before I do that, I will go. I just wanted to let you know the difference between a Farrier's rasp for horses and a wood rasp for wood. And if you can, always have a Farrier's rasp on hand, because they're the better one to use. Sometimes you have to get these smaller ones. So, now how you use a rasp, I'm going to show you on this Farrier's rasp, is you don't take little small strokes like this, little small strokes. Take long strokes like this, and you count sanding, and you count your strokes. I'm on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You do the other side the same way, or you have one side thicker than the other one. Try to keep your strokes about the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you check what you're doing. See, it's already gone in. I think about 2 or 3 more strokes, and this will be finished. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A few more. Keep in mind these boards here are also going to be sanded. Be a fraction tighter. That was 7. That was 7. Fits good. Just a little bit more on that side. 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, see, this one here is already a bit poofy there. The wood's still kind of wet. There we go. So that's where I'm going to leave it right now, because it's finished at this point. Put my rasp back up. So that's how you use a rasp. It's slow, tedious a little bit, but it's better than overdoing it and leaving a gap or making the fit loose. It's best to take that little bit extra time to get it right, or as close to right as you can get it. So that's it.
Okay, go. See, who is it?
This is Sierra. She's my apprentice. The table that I'm making is actually for her. It's a tea table. I'll paint these legs white and then put another, it's a base coat, and put another coat for the legs. And I don't want to paint the legs black this time. I don't know what color I'll paint on. Maybe I'll buy a brown spray paint.
Are you sanding?
Keep sanding. Hope you enjoyed this video on rasps, and I'll see you next time on the Class Restoration channel. Monkey.